Hi friends, welcome to session 8 on solution of initial value problem. Myself Dr. Hemavati. In this session we are going to study some modified Euler's method. That is, consider the initial value problem dy by dx is equals to f of xy. That is, y is equals to y naught at x equals to, with initial conditions, y is equals to y naught at x equals to x naught. If h is the interval of differencing, then we know x1 is x naught plus h. And y at x1 is y1 and it is equals to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. This is by Euler's formula. Now this value of y1 is improved by the iteration process given below by using the formula y1 at first iteration is equals to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1. So now here using this value of y1 that is y1 improved value of y1, we can say we get the second improved value. That is second improved value is y1 at second iteration is equals to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y. This value is fixed only in place of this y. So here in place of the second term f of x1 y1 is there. No, in this only how to use the improved values from the previous steps. So it is f of x1 comma y1 at first iteration. So further its improved value is y1 at third iteration is equals to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 at second iteration it is. This is second iteration. Similarly, we can generalize this one. In general, we can have y1, that is ith iteration of y1 is equals to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1, that is I minus 1th iteration of y1. So in each case here the previously modified value of y1 is used and continue this process till we get two consecutive values of y, same up to some desired accuracy. Let us take some examples. Take one example. Given that dy by dx is equals to log of x plus y with the initial condition y equals to 1 at x equal to 0, use the Euler's modified method to find y at x equals to 0.2 and 0.5. Here first you write the given equation, that is f of x, it is nothing but f of xy. F of xy is equals to log of x plus y. Take this as equation number 1 and the initial conditions x0 is equals to 0 and this is y0, y0 is equals to 1. If you want you can take this one as equation number 2. And we have to find y at point 2. No? Here to take x1 is equals to 0.2. So that is here x1, we know x1 is equals to x0 plus h. x1 is equals to we know x0 plus h. So therefore x0 plus h is equals to 0.2 implies 0 plus h is equals to 0.2. It implies the value of h as 0.2 it is. Because here h is not given, you have to choose yourselves. Now by Euler's formula, y at 0.2 is nothing but y at x1, because here it is x1 is equals to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. And it is equals to we know y0 plus h into f of x0 y0 from equation number 1. F of xy is log of x plus y. So it is log of x0 plus y0. So this implies y1 is equals to 1 plus h is 0.2 log of 0 plus 1. So this implies it is equals to 1 plus 0.2 into log of 1. Log 1 value is 0. So it is equals to 1. Now we have to improve this value here. We can improve this value by using Euler's modified formula. That is, by modified Euler's formula we have y1 at first iteration is equals to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1. Now it is, you have to keep these two as it is. F of x0 y0 is log of x0 plus y0 plus f of x1 y1 is, according to definition, it is log of x1 plus y1. Now it is 1 plus 0.2 divided by 2 and log of, substitute the values, log 0 plus 1 plus log 0.2 plus 1, because here y1 value is 1. Now we can simplify this one. So after simplification you will get this one as 1.0079. Next here, see here y1 is how much? y1 is 1 and its improved value is 1.0079. They are not exactly same. So we can go for next iteration. So we can improve this value by taking y1 at second iteration is a second improved value is y0 plus h by 2 log this is f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 and first improved value of y. So it is 1 plus 0 divided by 2 log of, it is log 0, this is log f of x0 plus y0. We know this definition. Once again you have to apply the definition here. It is f of, it is log of x0 plus y0 plus it is also same log of x1 plus improved value of y1, that is first improved value of y1. So using all these values you can simplify this one as it is equals to 1.0082. Again you have to compare these two, y1 at first iteration, first improved value and second improved value, they are not exactly same, so we can go for next iteration also. So its third iteration is y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 and second improved value of y1. So substitute all the values here. This is log of x0 plus y0 plus log of x1 plus y1 at second iteration, and we know all the values. We can substitute all the values and simplify. You will get here third iteration of y1 is 1.0082. So we can see here second improved value is how much? Second improved value of y1 is 1.00. How much it is? 1.0082 only it is. And third improved value is also same exactly. Therefore we can say that here second improved value is approximately equal to third improved value. So we can take this one, y1 is equals to 1.0082 at x1 is equals to 0.2. So next we have to find it 0.5 also. No? To find y at 0.5 you have to choose h equals to 0.3. So that 0.2 plus 0.3 becomes 0.5. So now it is x2 is equals to x1 plus h. So it is equals to here, this is equals to 0.2 plus 0.3 is equals to 0.5. Now y at x2 is equals to y2, it is equals to y1 plus h into f of x1 y1. This implies y2 is equals to y1 just we have done 1.0082 plus h is 0.3. Here you have to apply the definition of f of xy, it is log of x1 plus this is nothing but here, this is nothing but, it is nothing but log of x1 plus y1, because definition of f of x1 y1 is. Substitute the values, x1 is here, how much? x1 is 0.2 and y1 is 1.0082. After simplification you will get this value as 1.0382. Next you have to improve this value. We can improve this value by, this one is Euler's modified method. y2 at first iteration is y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2. So it is y1 as it is plus h is 0.3 divided by 2 into, it is apply definition, it is log of x1 plus y1 plus log of x2 plus y2. So substitute all the values here. You will get, this is after simplification, you will get here y2 at first iteration, first improved value of y2 is 1.0483. So these two, y2 and its improved value, they are not same. So we can go for next iteration also. So second improved value of y2 is y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1 y1 plus f of x2. First improved value of y2. The previous value you have to use here. So it is log of this one x2, x1 is 0.2 and y1 is this value. y1 we have to use this value only. It is previous value, it is y1 we have proved now. Here it is 1.0082 plus log of x2 is 0.5 plus y2 first iteration of y2 is 1.0483. So after simplification you will get this one as 1.0489. See here these two, they are not same exactly, they are same up to 3 decimal point. We can go for one more iteration. So third improved value of y2 is y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 and second improved value of y. So substitute the formula and simplify. So its third improved value is, after simplification substitute all the values and simplify, will get here 1.0490. So we have seen here its previous value. Second improved value is how much here? Second improved value is 1.0489 and it is 1.049. It is 48 is also 489 is exactly same as 49. That is we can take one digit decimal point in previous digit. So it is exactly same. This implies y2 at second iteration is approximately equals to y2 at third improved value. So this implies y2 is 1.0490 at x equals 0.5. So this is about the solution of this example. So I hope all of you understood this one. So there is no any much this one complication in this method. First you have to apply Euler's method, then you have to go on improve its value by Euler's modified method till we get the accuracy to the desired root. So this is all about this today's session. Here I have given some examples to solve yourself. So these are the assignment questions I have given you. You just solve these examples yourself, and I have given answers also. You try to solve these examples yourself, and if you find any difficulties, then you can ask me by asking a question in comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.